Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add music to your PSP. So basically what you'll need to have is this cable that you're going to connect to your computer. So let's get started. So what I will do is take this end and plug to PSP, and then take this USB end and plug to computer. So I will show you what are the next steps. Alright guys, so I plugged my PSP and right now I have opened the file explorer, and right here I have my USB drive G, which is PSP, and I have my music folder. If you don't have music folder, just right click it and click new, click folder, and just create a new music folder like this. And right here what we need to do is basically just upload a music that you have. So I have on my desktop some sounds, and I will just upload to this file folder. And now, as you can see from the music, I have some music file, and let's now eject our PSP and check if that did work. So let's see if our method worked. So let's go to now to the music. Okay, and if you go right here, we should be able to see our playlist and music, as you can see right here. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.